Technology is reshaping our lives. It's raising questions. It's normal. It's human to be worried about these sorts of things, especially when all these scaremongers in the media are encouraging us to panic and creating news which disrupts financial systems. But I'm not here to show you and talk about the bad things to do with technology. I'm here to actually have a half glass full attitude. And yes, you can automate and augment many tasks. Yes, you can replace human workers, but you can also make people's lives better. You can improve people's lives. And we can have much, much more fulfilling lives if we keep an eye on what's actually happening and keep an eye on the ethical challenges. And here at Influential Visions, we turn confusion into clarity, guiding you through this ever-changing, ever-evolving landscape of technology. And I'm actually joining you here from Croatia. We would love to hear from you because we run some podcasts also under Influential Visions. We have people listening and watching from all over the world, and we'd love to hear from you. If there are any specific topics that you want us to talk about, things that are worrying you, we're happy to answer any questions. If you want to reach out to us, just comment in the bottom of this video or drop us an email at info@influentialvisions.com. We'd be happy to hear from you and join us on this journey. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and let's explore the future together. At Influential Visions, your concerns become our challenges, your growth, our success. And actually together, we're not just observers, we're navigators of the future. And, you know, me in my personal life, my name's Nat. And, you know, like any normal middle-aged man, I ride motorcycles and do martial arts, which is, yeah, kind of perhaps not that normal, but there we are. I look forward to engaging with you and delivering lots more great content. And here's a little quick view of where I actually live in Croatia. Just quickly show you. That's where I live. And this is my home office where I am broadcasting from, and love to hear from you. Thanks again.
Thanks very much for listening to Influential Visions. Please make sure you share this episode with your friends and business connections.